Your C drive is full, but extend volume is grayed out. Your C drive is here, but the recovery partition is sitting right behind it, and the unallocated space is after that. The solution is move or delete the recovery partition. In the video, we use Lazesoft Recovery Suite to remove the recovery partition so the unallocated space moves next to C drive. Launch Lazesoft Recovery Suite, then go to Disk Image and Clone. Go to the Partition Manager group in the left panel and click Delete Partition. Click Delete Partition. In the dialog, carefully select the recovery partition. Make sure you are selecting the recovery partition located after C drive, not your system partition. Click OK to execute the operation. Windows Disk Management cannot delete this protected partition, but Lazesoft can safely remove it. Now, the unallocated space is directly next to the C drive. This allows Windows to extend the volume normally. Right-click the C drive and select Extend Volume. In the Extend Volume wizard, keep the default settings to use the maximum available unallocated space. Then click Next and finish. Your C drive is now successfully extended. Lazesoft Recovery Suite is free for home users. Download it from the link in the description and fix your disk space issue today.